This is the last question of the slot 1, which is question number 26. In question says a solid right circular cone of height 27 centimeter. So the height of the cone is given, which is 27 centimeters. So now let's say this is the cone. So height of the cone, total height is 27 centimeter. Is cut into two pieces along a plane parallel to its base at height of 18 centimeter from the base. So from the base, let us say it cut here, and this height, if this height is 18, that means what, this height must be 9. So from the similarity of the triangle, what we can say, that if this triangle, this basically this triangle and this triangle will be similar on the basis of angle and angle. So if the perpendicular, this corresponding sides, you can say that the sides that are perpendicular to the base, that corresponding sides are basically 9 by 27, which is 1/3. So that means what, the radius will also be 1/3. If I say that here the radius is 3r, then the radius here will be r. Now if the difference in volume of the two pieces is 225, the volume in cubic centimeter of original cone is what? We have to calculate the volume of the original cone. Now we know the difference of the volume of this cone to the volume of this area. Here it is mentioned that the difference in the volume of the two pieces, that means what, this pieces and this pieces, the difference is 225. Now what we can see, to calculate the difference, what we calculate is the volume of, let us write at first, the volume of a cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now if you know the radius is 1/3 and the height is also 1/3, so the volume will be in the ratio of 4/27. So volume ratio will be 1 by 3 raised to the power 3, which is 1 by 27. Why I'm saying 1 by 3 raised to the power 3? Because the volume of this by volume of this capital cone will be, if this the radius is r, that will be 3r. So that is 9r square, and this is 3h, that is, this is h, that is 3h, so that is 27. 1 by 3 pi will be basically the cancel out. So 1 by 27 times. So if you know that this is 1, or you can say if this is the area is here is, let us say here the area of the smaller cone is a, that means what, the area of the bigger cone will be 27 times of it. The area of the bigger cone will be 27 times of it. That means what, area of this pieces will be how much? This pieces will be 27 times of a minus a, which is 26 times of a, right? Can we say this? And the difference between the two pieces is given, which is 225, right? So the difference between the two pieces, that 225 is what, the 26 times of this minus a, which is 25 times of a, is given 225. If you cancel out it by 25, you will get 9. So we know that a is equal to 9, and we have to calculate the volume of the original cone. So volume of the original cone will be how much? That is 27 times of a. So we can say 27 times of a, which is 9. So this is 3 cube and 3 square. So 3 to the power 5 is basically 243. So the volume will be 243 cc, which is option D. Now what you have to understand here is, if the radius and height are in the proportion of 1 is to 3 with the respect of the smaller and bigger cone, then the volume will be 1 upon 27. And according to that, we'll take a variable and we'll solve and we'll get a9. So volume of the big cone will be 243. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.